Hey there, have you been thinking about marketing your products or services to potential customers who live in other regions and speak other languages? If you have, you've probably wondered how to take the first step. This is where translated and localized content comes in. In this video, we'll explain the difference between translation and localization, and how to do it right. Imagine you own a vintage record shop that specializes in rock and roll vinyl and you're ready to sell your products to customers in other markets. You've done your homework, and you think Italy and France would be great places to sell your products. Start by thinking about the countries you want to market to. How will French and Italian customers discover your products? Through advertising, search engines, social networks? Chances are, it'll be a combination. To help your website appeal to customers in different countries, you need to think about two things: translation and localization. Translation is the process of changing your content from one language to another. After all, when potential customers in new markets find your website, you want them to be able to understand what it says. But simply translating content might not be enough. Words and phrases that work in an Italian market may not resonate with a French audience. Localization is the process that makes locals feel like you speak their language. For example, you might want to make sure your translated website reflects that region's units of measure, currency, and addresses. You might want to change the website navigation. You might even change specific cultural references to feel local to the customers you're marketing to. It seems like a fair bit to think about. But there are many companies and freelancers out there who specialize in exactly this type of work. Once your site is translated and localized, it's worth the effort to have a native speaker review the work. To sum up, branching out of your home market is an important step for growing your business. Translating and localizing your website can help potential customers find you and understand what you have to offer. Thanks for watching. You are a legend.